Paul Johnson Interactive, Illustrative Interactivity. Let's take a look at this application. First, let's clear the cache so we can reload from the internet and see how the preloader works. Preloader loading the main Swift file into the main holder, and you can see the application go through its intro animation. Let's take a look at some of the menus. The specialty menus on the top, the four basic section menu with these four main icons, and the search menus. You can search with Wikipedia, you can post to the wall of Facebook, and you can search with Google. These search fields are automatically updated as you go through the application. When you open up one of the sections, you can see we have a main menu that comes off the bottom here, which allows you to go to any section at any time, or in this case back to the main intro. Let's open up the economics section. You'll see each section has three subsections, and let's load one of those. You can see the text effect, and we step through this individual subsection. Let's close that down. We return to the main section area. Now let's open up the Google search engine. You can see how it's dynamically updated for your search depending on what you're looking at the moment. The country section really talks about the people during the Great Depression. This little app is a automatic Polaroid shuffler, so you can read about the subject and then have it automatically shuffle through a stack of photos relating to that subject. Let's try a different section. Let's open up the politics section, which will reveal its submenu. You can see that when we launch, we automatically start playing and streaming one of FDR's audio bytes. When you switch from one audio byte to the other are canceled, and the new one is now streamed.
The new Outer Drive Bridge and the address by President Roosevelt. We're situated on the lakefront at the south end of the new bridge.
Let's close this section down.
Open a new high.
Take a look at another subsection of the politics, and this is a little card flipping application that reveals some of the more influential senators during the Great Depression, 1929 to 1939. Let's close this subsection, go back to the main menu, and let's take a look at the programs section. About the programs that were government programs that were started during the Great Depression. This particular subsection is a container for links relating to the federal crop insurance program. Click one of these links and it will open up a new browser page, and if you have an internet connection. Let's take a look at the New Deal trivia, where we randomly show different pieces of trivia every 12 seconds, I believe it is. This can be modified from an external XML file as well. Let's close that down. Go back to the main menu. Now let's look at some of the specialty menus that we have built in that overlay the main area. We'll load in this separate Swift, and this is a parallax timeline of the 1920s famous figures, highlighted when you roll over, and by clicking on them, of course, you open up a blank web page and are taken to that particular search. Let's take a look at the yearly timeline. When you roll over the different photos representing each year, you have a synopsis of what happened in that particular year of the Great Depression. You can scroll through, take a look at all the different years, scroll back. Let's close this out, return to our main menu.